everyone, welcome to part 2 of learning the loops in Python. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, then please watch my previous video. So anyway, let's start with a common mistake when using a for loop in Python. So in this example, we want to count down from 10 to 1, but the code here is incorrect. So the problem here is that the range function is using a positive step of 1, which causes the loop to count up, not down. So to fix this, then we need to use a negative step. So here's the corrected code. Now this will correctly print numbers from 10 down to 1. So next, let's look at how to print each letter of a word in Python. If we try to use this code, this works perfectly fine. It loops through each character in the string word, printing each letter one by one. So here's how the output will look. So it's a simple and effective way to iterate through characters in a string. So lastly, let's use a for loop to create a multiplication table. Here's the code to generate the multiplication table for 5. This will print the multiplication table of 5 from 1 to 10. The F string here is really helpful because it allows us to format the output cleanly by inserting variables directly into the string. So here's what it looks like when you run the code. It's a great way to display multiplication tables programmatically. So that's it for today. We've covered 3 cool Python tricks. Fixing a loop to count down, printing each letter of a word, and generating a multiplication table. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. So see you next time.